Metal detox. Heavy metals are components that are toxic and hazardous. Some examples of such metals include aluminum, uranium, lead and mercury. The metals normally are trapped in our body fat, as fat help protect our organs, and this includes trapping some metals. We are normally exposed to metals via fish, contaminated water, dental fillings and household products. Metal poisoning in our human body poses many health issues, and they mount up slowly inside our body. Most of us do not recognize that metal has been a contributing cause. Women may not realize that their body contains high levels of mercury, which is the root cause for the delay in their ability to get pregnant. When suffering from metal poisonousness, some symptoms will show. These include fatigue, skin issues, poor memory, depression, insomnia, and digestive issues begin to show. Therefore, learn some effective quick tips on reducing metal toxicity in our body and combat this. 1. Consume herbs and spices. Foods like ginger, turmeric and cilantro contains antioxidants which help remove heavy metals. You can consume them in foods or add them into juices. 2. Consume more green vegetables. This will be the most important food for metal detox. Have vegetables such as kale, spinach and arugula. Your body will be nourished with antioxidants and your inflammation will be reduced. 3. Consume vitamin C. Foods containing vitamin C help to decrease harm as they also contain antioxidants. Oranges, grapefruit, leafy greens such as spinach and kale contains vitamin C. 4. Consume flax and chia seeds. These seeds contain omega-3 and fiber that detox our colon and reduce inflammation. 5. Consume enough probiotics. Probiotics will aid in detox your gut. Therefore, this will improve your body's immunity. Aim to consume 10 to 20 billion CFU a day. 6. Keep yourself hydrated. Drink sufficient water consistently throughout the day. These will also aid in keeping your cells efficient and remove toxic metals. 7. Consume wild-caught fish instead. When aiming to detox from metals, you should try and avoid fish such as tuna, mackerel, etc. Fish contains mercury. Nonetheless, as there are benefits to consuming fish, you should aim to consume those that are freshly wild-caught fish. 8. Avoid preservatives and alcohol. Food that contain preservatives will decrease your ability to detox. Alcohol will also interrupt the detoxification process due to a less efficient liver function. Follow these quick tips and see results. Thank you for watching.